So we shall do the guidance for today. Now I will take out two cards and I will keep it so that you can see the image and then you can decide. Now this will be the card 1 and this shall be the card 2. The images look beautiful actually. So now close your eyes and say, I call on the divine, I call on the angels, archangels to guide me, which is the card meant for me. Now, these are basically moon magic cards which bring in more like affirmation. So let's see what the day wants you to start with, or what is the guidance of card 1. Now if it is card 1, it says, I let go of the anxiety of others. Maybe you have been worrying a lot about something or some issues or someone, and that is the reason this card has come to you, that you need to let go of the anxieties, let go of the worries, let go of the issues that you feel may trouble you in the near future also, because nothing will happen. Maybe it is just the upcoming moon phases which is making you feel like that. So surrender it to the universe and nothing can harm you. So now coming to the card 2, let's see what is the thing. It says, my words and actions are of beauty, compassion and love. So maybe today just work on self-love and on loving others. If you feel you have hurt someone, make it a point to make them understand why that happened, and maybe if you feel you can tell them a sorry, then please do that. And if someone comes to you today with the intent of hearing something positive from you, then be positive towards them, be compassionate towards them. Overall, today, whatever happens in the whole day, you will only deal it with love and compassion and not get angry or not react to any circumstances. Maybe today was not the day meant for you, so just let go and deal with it with full unconditional love for a better tomorrow. Thank you.